Jai Hind everyone.
Jai Hind, sir.
How are you all?
Fine, sir.
So we are here for your group discussion round. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So that will be divided into 3 parts.
Yes, sir.
है ना? And first will be your written, second will be your narration part, and third will be your group discussion. So in the narration part, what I will be doing, you all been provided a rough sheet and a fair sheet.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So in the rough sheet, I am going to narrate a topic for the 5 minutes, and you have to write it on your rough sheet. Remember, this topic will not contain a title, so you have to mention a title in your fair sheet and underline that so it can be visible clearly. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And after completion of 5 minutes, I will allot you 10 minutes to fair it out. And after the completion of 10 minutes, we will further proceed to a narration and the group discussion. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Anybody have any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, so we will proceed with the narration. So write. Government of India launched a Startup India campaign to encourage entrepreneurship in India's young generation who, despite being skilled and able to launch their ventures, become dependent upon various types of jobs and remain underemployed. Startup India is a focus to restrict the role of state in the policy domain. It proposes to abolish the license Raj along with other obstacles like land permissions, foreign investment proposals, environmental clearances, among others. The government has already launched iMade app, an app development platform aimed at producing 10 lakh apps, and the Mudra Bank, a new financial institute set up for development and refinancing activities related to micro units with a refinance funds of rupees 200 billion. A startup is an entity that is headquartered in India, which was opened less than 7 years ago and has an annual turnover of rupees 25 crore. The Reserve Bank of India has assured to take steps to help improve the ease of doing business in the country and contribute to an ecosystem that is conducive for the growth of startup businesses. SoftBank, with its headquarters in Japan, has already invested $2 billion into Indian startups. Total investment from SoftBank is expected at $10 billion. Google has declared to launch a startup based on the highest votes, in which the top 3 startups will allowed to join. the next Google Launchpad week, and the final winner could win an amount of $1 lakh in Google Cloud credits. Okay, gentlemen, stop writing. Okay. So now you have 10 minutes to fare out in a paragraph manner, and mention a title or a heading on the top of that and underline it. Okay?
Yes, sir.
So your 10 minutes starts now. Okay, gentlemen, stop writing. Stop. Put your pen down. Okay. Pass over the sheet to the next chest number and collect all the sheets to the chest number 17.
दोनों
Do it first. Okay, gentlemen. Everybody completed with their rough sheet and fair sheet?
Yes, sir.
Okay, understand the topic?
Yes, sir.
Okay, topic was good?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now we will further proceed to your narration part. And for the narration, each candidate will be awarded 1 minute. Okay?
Yes, sir.
And in that 1 minute, you will first introduce yourself. And in the introduction, I want your name, the region you belong to, your qualifications, your hobby, and reason to join Air Force. Remember, keep your introduction part short and crisp so that you will get maximum time to narrate your topic. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. After completion of chest number 17, chest number 11 will speak and will further proceed to chest number 8. Okay? And after the completion of chest number 8, you will start immediately your group discussion. And for the group discussion, you will be awarded 15 minutes. Remember, no need to come on a common conclusion. You have to speak in GD. No need to create fish market. Give everyone a chance to speak. Understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay, we'll start with chest number 17.
Jai Hind, gentlemen. My name is Bharat. I belong from Jodhpur district of Rajasthan. My hobby is watching movies and web series. I want to join Indian Air Force because there is adventurous life and I want to serve the nation. Here my view on the topic Startup India. Startup India is a national initiative launched by the Government of India in 2016. It helps in the economic growth of India. It encourages global companies to set up business and invest in India, which provide great job opportunity to youth. Government taking many steps to launch in India like I Made app and Skill India Development Program. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Puneet Mali. I hail from Parbhasa city. Basically, I have completed 12th class from State Board and pursuing graduation from State University. My hobbies are running. Today, I want to join Indian Air Force because this is an adventurous life and I want to serve my nation. Today, the topic has been assigned to us Startup India. Startup India is started by Government of India in July 2016. It's help people for our new business. It's provide easy to loan for a small business. It's aim to increase young people.
Next.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Meram Sarkra. I hail from Parbhasar. Basically, I have completed 12th class from State Board and pursuing graduation from State University. My hobbies are running. I want to join Air Force because there is an adventurous life and I want to serve my nation. Today, the topic that has been assigned to me is Startup India. As I know, Startup India is a program launched by the Government of India in 2016. It encourages innovation and new ideas. Startup India gives more job opportunities. It provides easy loans for small businesses. IIT Madras is linked with the Startup India campaign. NIT Silchar is the one of the institution of country to have joined the program. Thank you.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Sunil. I completed my class 12th RBC board. I belong to Nagaur, Rajasthan. My hobbies play kabaddi. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve the nation. Here my view on the topic Startup India. Startup India is one of the intention launched by the Indian government in 2016. Its main aim to make India a startup hub. Startup India is give new generation employment opportunity. Startup India create economy, a strong economy for young. Thank you, Jain.
Jai Hind. My name is Lalit Kumar. Currently, I am pursuing BS from Madrasa University. I am from Alwar, Rajasthan. My hobby is all about to be involved in technical works, and I want to join Air Force to serve my nation with pride. Here's my views on the topic: the Startup India. Startup India is a program started by the government of India in July 2016 to encourage the entrepreneurship in the India's young generation and give them a opportunity to serve the nation and start up their businesses. Startup India program was launched to encourage the people of the India to encourage the Startup India program, which encourage to the people of India to turn out their skills into the businesses and the sustainable resources. Even the HRD and the Department of the Science and Technology also partnered in the taking the jobs and creations by set up the businesses, and even they have started 75 new hubs in the NITs, IITs, even also. Thank you and Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, gentlemen. My name is Dilip Chaudhary. I have pursuing BSc from Government College, and my hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because it has adventurous life, and I want to serve the nation. Here my view on this topic: Startup India. Startup India is launched in 2016 by the government, and it increase our pupil skill and Startup India. As we know that Manmohan Singh is in 1991 launched the LPG policy. This is reduced license charge, and Startup India is improve our youth and opportunity to build their skills. Thank you.
Jai Hind, gentlemen. My name is Bhagwan Ram Bisnoy. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I am pursuing graduation from Vardhaman Mahavir Open University. My hobby is playing cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force because it gives me the opportunity to serve my nation with dedication and courage. Here are my views on the topic Startup India. Startup India campaign is launched by the Indian government in 2016 to encourage the entrepreneurship in India's young generation. Government focus to restrict the role of the states in policy domain, and government wants to increase skillful development in India's youth generation. The campaign launched. This is a initiative flagship initiative launched by the Indian government and main aim to innovation and making a startup ecosystem. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind, everyone. My name is Asif. I am from Nagaur, Rajasthan. Now I am pursuing graduation in Nagaur University. My hobbies are playing cricket and watching movies. I want to join Indian Air Force because it is a respected job. There my views on the topic Startup of India. Startup of India launched by Government of India in 2016. It helps job creation and reduces unemployment in the country. It supports skill development and to make Startup of India more successful, we must follow tax rules and ecosystem support. Thank you.
Jai Hind, gentlemen. My name is Kuldeep. I did my 12th class from Saraswati Vidyalaya School, Jodhpur. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. My hobby is to play cricket, and I want to join Indian Air Force because there is an adventurous life. Here's my views on the topic. Startup India encourage entrepreneurship. Government of India launched the Startup India campaign to encourage entrepreneurship in India's young generation who, despite being skilled and able to launch their ventures, become dependent upon various types of jobs and remain underemployed. Startup India is restricted to the role of states in the policy domain, and it promotes Make in India and reducing the dependency on imports. It helps to making jobs for youth. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Varun Chaudhary. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. Currently, I am pursuing my graduation from JNU. My hobbies are playing kabaddi and running, which help me stay physically fit and mentally strong. Since my school days, I have been inspired by the discipline, honor, and courage of the Indian Air Force. I want to join Indian Air Force to learn new skills and serve the nation with pride. Today, we are discussing the topic is Startup India. The government launched Startup India to support a new business. The startup must be India-based, less than 7 years old, and have turned over below 25 crores. The government create 75 startup hubs in IIT, NIT, IISSCR, etc. Big companies like SoftBank and Google also invest in Startup India. Startups help improve technology, education, jobs, and healthcare, etc. With better support, startups can create jobs and boost India's economic growth. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Dinesh. I belong to Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I did my 12th from State Board of Rajasthan. My hobby is play cricket. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve the nation with courage and discipline. Here is my view on the topic Startup India. Startup India is initiative launched by government in 2016 to promote innovation, entrepreneurship and job creation. Startup India helps to youth to earn money and self-rely. India is the third largest ecosystem in the world. With the right policies and public support to make India globally startup hub and Atmanirbhar Bharat. Jai Hind, thank you.
Jai Hind gentlemen, my name is Dindyal and I completed my class 12 from the Saudha Senior Secondary School. I belong to Jodhpur, Rajasthan and my hobby is cycling. I want to join Indian Air Force to support my family. Here is my view on the topic Startup India. Startup India is a government initiative started by Indian government to create new businessmen and boost economic system. Its main aim to make India a global startup hub. Now for India is placed third startup global hub and grew better with new policies. New creators and new businessmen take their place for Startup India and growing their business better way. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Jai Hind everyone, my name is Rajneesh. I have completed my schooling from Modern Public Senior Secondary School, Thoi. My hobbies are playing cricket and running. I belong to Sikar, Rajasthan. I want to join Indian Air Force to serve the nation. Here my views on the topic Startup India. Startup is a scheme, government scheme which was launched in 2016. It startup means that the youth are started new business and startup help in rural development, and Startup India scheme is help in India make a developed country. At last, I would like to say that it is a step towards digital India. Thank you.
Jai Hind gentlemen, my name is Anil Vishnoi. I am from Jodhpur, Rajasthan. I pursuing BE second year Jai Narayana Vyas University, Jodhpur. My hobby is playing cricket and running. I want to join Indian Air Force because I like challenging and advanced life. Here's my views on the topic Startup India. Startup India is a government of India, a campaign launched by 2016. The main reason the increase the small businesses, small creator, and increase the government of India, the ecosystem. The government of India more than scheme launched by increase the ecosystem like Startup India, Make in India, and more than scheme. Recently we have seen the Russian Prime President Vladimir Putin at India, and more than partnership the Indian defense sector and ecosystem. Thank you, Jai Hind.
Startup India is boost our nation's
Candidate, please.
Jai Hind everyone, I am Yuvraj Sani. I was born and brought up in Nagaur, Rajasthan. I have done my schooling from RBSc board in 2023. I want to join Indian Air Force because there is an adventurous life and I want to serve the nation. My hobby is to play cricket. Today I am going to express my views on the topic Startup India. Startup India campaign launched by the government of India in 2016 to encourage the entrepreneurship. Its main goal to make India global startup hub by funding and supporting the young generation. who is, despite being skilled and able to launch their venture, remain unemployed. The low job creations and the brand run of the young generation toward the foreign markets make this campaign very needed. The RBI has assured to take the step to improve the ease of doing business in the country. Thank you.
The government of India, the launch Startup India more than opportunity the young generation.
Startup India boosts our economy and helps to globally startup.
India is the third largest ecosystem in the world.
Finance Minister
Startup India is
promoting Indian product.
Startup India is scheme which launched in 2016.
The Startup India is getting support from Google and SoftBank.
With the right policy and public support to make India the
Okay, gentlemen. Chess number 17 to chess number 20 first group and chess number 12 to chess number 8 second group. First group, start discussion.
As we talk about the current news, there is a Startup India businesses as India has secured the third largest unicorn system by adding the 11 new unicorns in the global level.
Startup India is getting support from the Google and software. They are giving support them.
Government launched many schemes related to Startup India like Make in India program, Skill India program.
Startup India is encouraging development and economy.
Startup India include such scheme, Skill India and Indian Seed Fund scheme.
Economic growth of India.
Startup
is invested in India $1 billion.
Startup India creates more job opportunities and it increases innovation and new ideas.
As government of India is providing the financial support to the people to create their own businesses. Even this year, in 2025, around 1.8 lakh new businesses have started in the government.
Okay, gentlemen. Okay, gentlemen. Second group, start discussion.
India become a global startup hub with 100+ unicorns.
Yes, investors. India has the world's largest young population. That is a big opportunity for startups.
With the right policy and
The government of India launched by the campaign, but recently we have seen the foreign countries at India and more than opportunity.
Startup India helps to self-rely and Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Small creator, small business increase.
The India is the largest third ecosystem startup in.
The RBI has assured to
Startup India help to
take step to improve the ease of doing business in country.
Startup says that the youth are open the new business.
India has world's largest young population. That is big opportunity for startups.
Okay, gentlemen. Thank you. Your GT is over. All you have participated well, and all the best for your future. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks, sir.